they'll hear you. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved. And we. All right, so where are we at? We're at Bird Ridge. We're gonna shush, fool. We're gonna try to get to the top of Bird Ridge tonight before we run out of time. So should be good. Just completed the first hill. That was harder than it needed to be. I was thinking it'd take us about the same time as when we did Flat Top last Monday, but after that I'm thinking it might take a little longer, but hopefully we'll make it to the top.
So many things I think about when I look.
All right, so what? We've been hiking for like 5 minutes and we already took some layers off. I remember I forgot to say who I was with, so with Ian Jones and my sister Hailey.
Things I know, things I wonder, things I'd like to say. The more we think we know about.
My calves are on fire. They're beating me.
We suspend our disbelief.
Wait, stop it! Getting tired? They are whooping my butt. Wow. I told you I was gonna get hot. I'm already hot, so.
Mystic rhythm.
Huh? That's a lie. I can do more sit-ups than you.
I can do more sit-ups than all of you.
Just think of how satisfying it would be. This will be like number 2 for you. This will be like.
Oh my God, we're almost there!
Mysteries of night, escape the light of day.
The top of the ridge is right up there. So we're getting close, and then we have to do a ridge walk to the top of the peak. Getting there. Gonna send it!
We sometimes catch a window, a glimpse of what's beyond. Was it just imagination stringing us along?
All right, so we made it up the steep part, and summit is right up there, but they're stopping to do their Snapchats, and then we gotta eat, and then eat, yeah. All right, so this part was too windy to hear, but I said that that's the peak, and we didn't make it there, but it was still worth it, even though it was really cold and tiring. Dang, that framing though.